If you want to create auto caption for your videos, Adobe's Caption Video can be a great tool. It can be accessed from new.express.adobe.com or from your Creative Cloud app. Let's look at it. Let's start by uploading a video. It might take few time depending on the length and size of your video for the upload, and you have your caption ready. There are few caption styles to choose from, which are great.
On behalf of LP Clubs, I'd like to welcome you all here today. My name's Sandy Fisher, and I'm one of the fitness managers here.
We can also edit the caption text if there are mistakes. We can further edit the captions from the editor. From the editor, we can enhance the voice quality, remove the background from the video, or fill it. We can also change the font styles and colors too. We can also adjust the position of the text like this. If there is any option and I am missing out, please tell me in the comment section below. I think this is helpful for auto caption and simple to use. Thanks for watching the video.